Hey guys, welcome to the video. Before we get into what this video is about, I would like to say a few things. Number one, the video is missing some parts due to mysterious causes, so it might be a little jumpy. Number two, the reason why I'm still using my old persona is because I haven't finished the new one yet. That should be done by next video, and you guys all said that you wanted more animation, so I'll try to make that happen. And that's all. Hope you enjoy, and bye. Okay, we got everything we need to practically finish the drip leaf. We got the main body, we got the stem, we got the underplate that's gonna keep it from falling over. We got the hinge so it can fall over when the cats stand on it. It's gonna be hilarious. And we got all the tools we need to make all of that possible. So the one thing we still need is to put it all together. So let's get to that. Okay, so this is the final product. As you can see, we have the drip leaf over there. We have the log with one of my cats chilling on it. We have the fence post with the lead attached to us that the cats can play with and scratch on and get on top of. And oh, she's so cute. she's so cute. And then we got the glow-in-the-dark torch here that they can also scratch on. It is mainly just for effect. But yeah, on camera, the glow-in-the-dark factor shows up so much more, and it makes it look so good. And this entire thing, I would say, it's one of those projects that you just think of something and then decide to add it later. Like the fence post, which just came out of left field and was a last-minute addition. But yeah, this is looking pretty good. The cat's chilling on top of the log, which on the back, it is not my best work. And then the drip leaf is looking spectacular thanks to my mom's help. So is the torch. And the fence post is also looking pretty good. I wrapped some rope around that I had to weave and had this little bit hanging off so we can dangle it and the kitties can play with it. You like it? Do you like it? Oh, she hates me. She hates everyone, honestly. She's a barn cat. But anyway, this is the final product. I hope you've enjoyed.